Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check how much time you have spent on Instagram today. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First click on your profile icon. Now, tap on top right, 3 lines. Now tap on time spent. Here you can see how much you are using on Instagram daily. You can also turn on break reminder. In this way you can also take a break after 25 minutes. You can also set a daily limit. Have you set a limit for how many times daily you have used Instagram? In this way, you can check your daily time spent on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.